When I was a child, I went to the aquarium and I thought, wow, these fish are really cool. How do they grow? How do they socialize? And I got really ingrained in that. And so I went to school and I joined a lab that was researching fish biology. And I went through my Ph.D. going into more applied sciences relevant to fish farming and the like. But eventually I realized I wanted to take this interest in natural history and biology into an area of science where I could make a direct impact on patient lives. So I went on to do a postdoctoral fellowship in reproductive health and found that, hey, maybe I can find a role somewhere where I can make a genuine change in human health. And here I am at Novo Nordisk. We're embracing technology and data to inform everything we do here, to really drive that next generation of medicine that we're working hard to develop here at Novo Nordisk. We're trying to develop one-time therapies for patients to make an impact on those with chronic diseases. Right now, the standard for treating chronic diseases is based in really this kind of over-time treatment of the symptoms. It's very rare that you actually reach the curative nature that we really want to get at. And that's what genome editing is all about. We want patients to have access to a one-time treatment that will provide them with the cure. So, every person has DNA. That's the code for all of our biology. And sometimes in instances of chronic diseases, the code is not working properly. And so we go in there, we cut, we paste, we change the code ever so slightly so that we can provide that curative aspect to that patient. Working in industry is fantastic. You can really get a sense that you're making an immediate impact. The work that you're doing in the lab every day is going to drive the progress of developing a meaningful medicine for people. In academia, they do important basic research, but that takes time to really reach the clinic. Novo Nordisk US R&D is growing faster than ever, and with a wealth of resources at our disposal, we can really dive into the science at breakneck pace to develop medicines that will make a lasting impact for patients.